faculty. Today I think I don't have the words of appreciating the different presentations depicting the different culture and philosophy. Rather, all these items are very much talented. You know that the present era is the era of change. Today we are passing, I think the parents do realize that we are passing through a very special change, special circumstance in scenario, social, societal dynamics. And that is the new educational policy. As you know, the new education policy was introduced under the able leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, certainly made a stress on the skill development. And you know that different items presented by the students is based on the development of the scheme which the school is striving for. And the new education policy, as you might have studied it, is very much devoted to identify the skill of the students, and for that task there is a responsibility of the faculty, that how much, say, spirit and enthusiasm and particular talent in a particular student age. So this is the responsibility of parents also, just to identify the ability of the wards of the student. And to that, certainly you will have earmarked areas also, just like business, just like, say, fashion designing, lawyering and teaching, just say, etc. So all these areas are identified according to the ability of the student. So definitely the new education policy is dedicated to this. One thing which the parents are striving for, that we should just introduce the AI system in the schools and colleges. The question is, what is AI? I have studied much and I have deliberated on this particular issue, that what is AI? AI is nothing but only the computer studying or computer programming. So, in the form of this different mobile, laptop, this computer, certainly the different items are being presented before the student. But one thing, with the Kerala is leading age, that Kerala has introduced the robot teacher in the school, particularly in Trivandrum, particularly in the capital of Kerala, and other schools also followed the pursuit. And ultimately what happened, that they realized that this robot teacher cannot be compared with a human teacher. The reasons which were given by them were as follows. The first, that there is no personalized human approach towards the students by the robot teacher. Secondly, when it becomes defective or it breaks down, certainly the mechanic is to be called in the classroom, and thereafter it is just repaired, and ultimately the whole purpose of the lecture and all the purpose of the class is just destroyed, not say go on. The third is that it is the master of contents, but not of philosophy, not of jurisprudence. So therefore, all these reasons are there that robot teacher is not successful at all. Ultimately, what happened? That in Kerala, you know, the Kerala is very advanced in education and teaching. And in North and other parts of India, we have got the computers with the Windows system. But in Kerala, the government has instructed the manufacturers and companies that no, please don't supply the computers with Windows. Windowless computers should be supplied in that state, otherwise we will not purchase any computer from the manufacturer or any company. But what happened of the other state? You know that whether in your mobile, whether there is a Windows system? Certainly not. Even then, this mobile is serving all the purposes. So the question is that Kerala is too much advanced in introducing the technology of devices. So ultimately, this robot teacher has been discarded, and they have started discarding the robot system. So parents, you should be assured that this particular school is very much aware of the fact that what system we should introduce for the purpose of preparing the students for the national interest. As our chief guest has rightly stated, that with the technological or with the introduction of technology in the